Okay, welcome back. We're inside of our our very first for loops video, and in this original for loops video, I talk about microphones, and I say there's a list of microphones. Here's an array of microphones that I like, and then we said for mics for each of the mics. I'm going to call this for a microphone in mics. So for each mic, I'm going to rename this again because it makes more sense to me. If each mic is equal to U87, then let's say print. Ooh, it's a nice microphone. It's like a couple $1,000, I think. But if it's not the U87, then just print out the name of the microphone. So you can see it's working down here. It prints out mic name, and then it gets to the U87. And before it prints out mic name, it says, "Ooh." What if at this point you just want to break out of this loop? Then you just type break, and that stops the whole for loop process. So it's going through it. It's like, oh, U87, you don't need any other microphones. That's the best microphone. Fine. What if you want to continue the for loop, but you want to skip all this stuff down here? Then you can type out continue here. So you'll see it actually doesn't, if I delete this, it doesn't actually mention U87 down here at all. Because it says for each mic and mics, if each mic is equal to U87, then print OO, and then just go back up here and continue with the loop. Don't even bother going down here. So this is a continue, and the other one was a break. And those are ways how to escape from your for loops, or to, I forget what they call. Let me see what I think they're called, control transfer statements or something like that. But, yep, hopefully this is helpful. Continue and break.